Okay, lights, camera, action. Okay, welcome to the video. Let me just see my face big properly. Yeah, welcome to the video. I'm gonna make this quick because my food is here and it's getting cold. We don't want cold food. But anyway, I'm gonna talk about how I'm building AI agents to automate my business and how you can do the same thing as well. So I want you to imagine what it's like to just automate your entire business workflow and how you can scale 100 times more, have 100 times more output without hiring or managing or delegating to more employees and going through that entire process. You can just be lean, have a lean team, and have these AI agents work 24/7 around the clock. So yeah, this is one of the AI agents I have built for my own content automation. And this video that you're watching is going to be uploaded by this AI agent. I'm going to get into it in a while. So why are you watching this and what problem can this solve? So you know you should be working on your business and not in your business. So if you are catching yourself in a situation where you're doing a lot of the daily day-to-day operational activities, you're going to see how you can just automate that, just make the system once without relying on other employees, hiring, and all that stuff. You can have the AI automation and just get that sorted. Maybe you're not growing your business as fast as you think you could. Maybe you're seeing other competitors, they have bigger teams, they have bigger systems and processes. How you can, what's the word? How you can handle them? No, how you can beat them basically, how you can beat the competition, because not many people are doing this, not many people know how to use this, because there's a bit of a learning curve and many people don't even know about this. So how can you deal with that? Or maybe your employees aren't outputting as much as you think they could be. You could be getting more output out of them but you're not getting it. Or maybe there's more errors, there's more human mistakes that are being made, or you're spending too much time hiring and training and delegating, managing and meetings. That, look, I'm not the kind of guy who enjoys that stuff. I've done that before, and even until recently, but then I found this way and it's been a game changer for me. Okay, so the solution to these problems is building AI agents, mainly custom AI agents suited to your specific business workflow. So there are multiple options to do it, and before I tell you what I do, I'll show you the other options. Maybe that's something you want. First is obviously Zapier, and the other one is make.com. Both are good. The only problem with these two, I've tried both of these, I used to use both of these. It's just as you scale, as you have more tasks that need to be automated, like somehow, like let's say 10,000 tasks a month, it does get more expensive. So like $200 a month, and I think in a year, how much is that? Like it's going to be, I don't know, some it's going to be around $2,000. And if you have more tasks, if you have more automations, that's going to be even more. With make.com, it's a lot cheaper. Yeah, this is what it is with make.com. The only problem I was having with this is the data transfer limits. Like I was having like a 5 GB limit, but each video I make is more than a GB itself. So I didn't want those limitations. And then I found N8N, but self-hosted. So I have hosted this on my own server. You can see the domain agents.zenikal.com. Zenikal.com is my own site. Agents.zenikal.com is a subdomain I've hosted this on, and I only pay less than $6 a month for the server. So yeah, I have the AI agent. I can do unlimited tasks, unlimited automations, no limits whatsoever, and I have full control. So this is my choice of what I do. I use N8N automations, and I host it on my own virtual private server using Contabo. So the whole setup overall cost me like less than $10 a month, including the the OpenAI API fees, or maybe more than that. I haven't honestly calculated, but you get the point. So I'll show you what this specific workflow does and how it's going to work. Let's say I have this video and I made it, boom, done. Okay, now I don't want to come up with the title, the description. So what I do is I just upload it to a specific Google Drive folder. It checks every hour if something new is uploaded. Boom, it downloads it, converts it to an audio file, and uploads it to the OpenAI Whisper API. So it gets a transcript of it. Then it uses my AI agent. This is the AI agent, and it is trained on my data and my target, and it knows what my target audience is. It has the examples, the references, all that stuff. So it's going to give me titles, and it's going to give me a title and a description exactly how I like it, in my voice and my style, based on the references, and optimize for the target audience, and also SEO optimize, so people searching for this term get this video recommended to them. Then it's going to get the title and the description, and it's gonna upload it to YouTube like it has done over here. This is one of the videos I have. Launch your personal brand. Already, it's not that deep. So this was created with the AI agent, uploaded by Zenical AI. I've just used that for my reference. And yeah, hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to talk about this is almost exactly like how I talk. So it's done that, and it has uploaded it. By the way, side note, if you wanna, yeah, if you were, I'm gonna be releasing this as a web app with obviously a lot more features, like these other features. So you can just, and this is the entire workflow explained even better. Yeah, you can join the waitlist. There's gonna be perks for you. What are the perks? Yeah, these are the perks for you if you wanna get in on the action, and there's gonna be more features as well. And then once the video launches, once the video is uploaded, yeah, it goes to my content tracker and it's gonna add a new row. Like, okay, what was the video, the title, and the link, and it's gonna fill all of these. And on top of that, it is also gonna give me an email notification. So it's gonna email me saying, oh yeah, the video was uploaded. This is the title. Here is the link if you want to watch it. And this is just one of many things you can do with your AI automations. You can do it for customer support, for emails. Another way I'm also using these agents is whenever I have a lead on Facebook, on my Facebook ad leads form, Facebook ads lead form, it uses one of these triggers and it goes to ClickFunnels and System.io, and it adds those contacts to an email sequence as well, and it sends me a notification, okay, new person has registered. It sends them the lead magnet and it gives them, adds them to the email sequence, and I get an email notification that this was done. There's also another system that I'm working on. So when the video is uploaded, another agent will find engaging clips, impactful clips. It's going to refactor them for short form content, add the subtitles, and it's going to post those as well on Instagram Reels, on on YouTube Shorts, TikTok if I want. I haven't set that up completely. I have an MVP version of that as well, which I can connect to this. And this is just one of many things you can do. If you have some plans, if you have in your business some things that you're doing that are too repetitive, or you have a virtual assistant doing it, or you have anything that's repetitive, you can just build the agent for that, and you can either save on the employee costs, or you can get them to focus more on the creative work, so you can have 100 times the output, where the employee is just managing this entire workflow, this agent, and just optimizing it and coming up with different ideas and scaling it up even more. So that is a much better use of your time and your resources. And most of your competition is not doing this right now, but they will. So now is the time. If you want to get in on the action, build your agents now. So obviously, for me it was a lot easier, especially setting up the servers and stuff, is because I have years of automation experience. I used to be the guy for automations. I started back in college when I was too lazy to attend my online lecture. So I built a bot, an automation that just joins the meeting for me and marks me as present. And I built like NFT minting bots. I also had an OnlyFans agency, so I had automations to manage our models' Twitter. So our Twitter was growing because of the automations. By the way, I'm also selling that automation still. 40 other people have bought it, so there's going to be a link for that if you're in OFM too. But yeah, apart from that, you can learn it, you can do it yourself as well if you're willing to go through the moments where you just want to pull out your hair and just break your computer screen. So if you have the if you're okay with that, spending that time, you can do it as well. Or you can just DM me on Telegram, or there should be, you can book a free discovery call because I offer consulting. And if that's only if you care about just results, you want the results, you want it quick, you want to figure this out ASAP, learn all the shortcuts so you can implement it in your business as well. Either DM me on Telegram or click on the meeting link. There should be something based on when you're watching this. And I'm just doing 3 spots this year because this month, because as you can see, I like automating things. And soon it's going to be party season. It's going to be time for me to go on the benders. And when I'm on the benders, I just use these automations, these agents to run in the back while I'm partying or while I'm hungover. That probably isn't the ideal time for me to do the consulting calls. So yeah, get it done now, or you can still try it on your own if you'd like. This is N8N, and this is how you self-host it. N8N.io. Contabo VPS is what I choose to buy it, the private server. And yeah, that is it. Stay tuned. Good luck. I'll just enjoy my food now, and yeah, I will speak to you soon. Goodbye. Adios.